Happy Thursday morning. I've got some beautiful woven fabrics I want to show you. I have an ongoing discussion with ladies who come to the store, which is cooler for the summer, woven or knit. And by far woven is winning. So I wanted to bring you some beautiful wovens. These are all Nili Lotan, and they are just lovely, lovely, lovely. This is obviously so current. It's fresh. It is a yellow, black, and white stripe. It's a crepe. It's a cotton poly. It's lightweight, and it's just a beautiful woven. Great little shirt. Then we have this beautiful black checked sheer. Isn't that lovely? It's so pretty. Put it against your body. You would just need maybe a little tank underneath it if you did a blouse. But so many other uses. Just gorgeous. This is really burns almost 100% cotton. It has a little bit of poly for that burnout. It has to. So really pretty blend. Very pretty fabric. Black on black. Then we have this red. Obviously, I'm in love with it. This is what we use for tonight. We're doing a YouTube, and so this is the fabric we're using. It's a red. It's a beautiful red. It's really pretty, shiny on one side, matte on the other. You can see I used the shiny for the cuff and then left the rest matte. This is 100% rayon. Really beautiful to work with. Great fabric. This is a really pretty fabric. It's a tone-on-tone, you can see animal print. It's like a snake, but it's kind of a yellow, not a yellow, more a vanilla color. It's very, very pretty. Great drape. This is a poly cotton blend. Again, mostly cotton, just really beautiful drape. This is 100% cotton. This has like a brushed feel to it. It's really, really pretty. It's a stretch woven, has stretch in one direction, but this would be a great shirt. It's light enough. Usually a lot of these are heavy. This is very light. And then of course we threw in here a white silk. And that white silk is just really beautiful. You can see the sheen is lovely. The drape is beautiful, 100% silk, white. All of them today are $12.99, only for today, and then they'll go up tomorrow. But I always like to give you these little introductory chances. So all from Nili Lotan, and just enjoy. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.